I'm back from vacation, guys. Who missed me? I had an amazing 9 days in Italy. I went to Milan, Florence, Venice, Rome. I highly recommend it if you've never been, especially if you're Italian like me. Go see your heritage. I won't go on too much about it, but I brought my camera, took a ton of photos, so I'll do a little photo slideshow at the end of the video. If you want to check it out, stay tuned for the end. And I hope you all had a great Memorial Day weekend, relaxing, taking the day off, but most importantly, remembering those who have given the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom. But it's Tuesday, so we're back to work. While I was away, we got some videos up. We did a video on making a 3D printed fuse holder for my system. Hopefully we'll be able to do some more modifications with the 3D printer and be able to make some useful things for car audio. We also went over the brand new Beuler SPA400 mirroring device, which only requires a USB connection to your smartphone for HD screen mirroring onto your radio, monitor, or display. And we took a look at some Kenwood Exelon speakers, the X174s. Pretty solid two-way speakers, solid power. They're definitely a great upgrade to any factory speakers. So I gotta get back on track and play a bunch of catch up. We're going to go over a compact monoblock amplifier from Kenwood, the KAC M3001. This thing is literally the size of like a Game Boy Color and is rated for 300 watts RMS at 2 ohms, 200 watts RMS for 4 ohms. We took the liberty to test it out ourselves and got some interesting results, so stay tuned for that. We have a bunch of new speakers and subwoofers from Pioneer's D-Series line, which are known for excellent and accurate bass. And we'll figure some other stuff out, but I know you've all missed him as much as he missed me. So here you go, BJ, take it away with top comments. Yeah, James, I missed you. I missed you like I miss a rock in my shoe. I miss you like an old man's urine stream misses the toilet. I miss you like my teenage girlfriend missed her last period. I miss you like Lieutenant Dan misses his real legs. How many of those Guidos you bring home to your Airbnbs? Anyways, top comments time. Todd Perry on a double-dim Bluetooth stereo. Bluetooth stereos usually come with those Bluetooth microphones that you attach in the back, right? You know this. Some of the accessories are a scam. The supposed Bluetooth microphone. Bluetooth is wireless, not wired. If it is wired, it is not Bluetooth. You do not have to plug in a Bluetooth device for it to work. Relax, Todd. The microphone's not Bluetooth. You plug it into the radio so the radio can f***ing hear you. Otherwise, it won't pick up on your voice. So, Todd, take a chill pill, take a step back, and breathe. Richard Cowtails. I like the truth and rawness. Yeah, our videos are so raw. On our 3D printed fuse mount, BB996, Dear Millennial. Next time, just take a strip of 6x1 ABS, heat it and bend it to shape. Yeah, we know you can do that, guy. It's 2018, there's some new tech out there that we want to use, alright? It's pretty fun. Why don't you just take your duct tape, your WD-40, and your police scanner and just go sit in a cabin in the middle of the woods. That's what a real man does, right? Goddamn millennials and their 3D printers. Rob St. Helen, I'm waiting for the 4D printers. I'm pretty sure that's when Jesus shows up. Evolucion 888. I suspect that a conversation with this guy requires a powerful umbrella to protect from the splashes when talking. What are you saying, I spit when I talk? Dradibano 77. How about changing the presenter for someone with better pronunciation? How about changing your profile picture to something that makes you look less like a child offender? Say hello to your mother for me. Michael Vasquez. Why is your video so dark? It's a DC comic adaptation. Adam Velez. Bro, you look high. Nah, man, I just eat a lot of orange chicken. Silent Gilly. These subs are junk. I've blown these and the Crips. They look beefy, but don't put no serious power to them. I trust this guy wearing subwoofers as much as I trust his vocabulary and grammar. On a stereo, Dashiell Clark. How do you set the clock? Jesus Christ, Dashiell, you can't figure out how to set the clock on a radio? Just go in the f***ing settings, the menu. Just click menu, settings, clock. Can change it. Go on the manual. You do realize every radio comes with a manual? We want me to hold your dick while you piss? Jesus. L. Watson, shut up and get to the point. That's what my mother always says to me. Matthew Ramirez, I did hate this video. Thanks for the feedback, Matt. Say hello to your mother for me. On multiple videos, Julius Sedabris wrote, or I can just mount iPad instead. Or just mount iPad and it will do even more. Great, Julius, mount your f***ing iPad. No one gives a f***. Alright, that's it for top comments, guys. Hope you enjoyed this week. It's good to be back. Say hello to your mother for me. Alright, here's the slideshow of some photos from Italy. You don't have to watch, but feel free to stay tuned. And that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Dislike it if you hated it. Leave some comments below and join the conversation, and we'll see you soon.